As a busy mom, teacher, and business owner, I really can't afford to be slowed down by a frustrating cough or made drowsy from heavy cough syrups. This winter, we decided to do something about it and started with switching out our old cough syrups, and I wish we would have done it sooner. Plant Therapy's new cough relief tincture and chest rub is now my go-to for soothing our winter coughs naturally. Plus, no more grogginess, which is a major win when you've got a million things to do. This natural blend is a game changer for our family. We love knowing we're supporting our health naturally.